Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to my vlog. Ang ganamig ka na. Spring onion. Spring roll Shanghai today. This is my vegetables only. The vegetable is carrots, spring onion, and ground meat. They want pork ground. They don't like the beef. I just grind this I grind the carrot, the onion, and the garlic is already done grinder. I use manual grinder. The spring onion I cut small because it cannot grind, because that's only a leaves. When I grind all, mix it all the meat in the vegetable, and then season it with salt, black pepper. If you want to use cubes or any flavor, it's up to you to make it tasty. I need to grind the carrot also. I use the manual grinder. The vegetable same size for And then when I season it, I'm gonna wrap it in the spring roll. I wrap it with the spring roll wrapper. Cannot move doon. You know, it's like I'm exercising this one in the gym. It make my muscle big. See? Oh, it will make my muscle big. See, I need to mix it all. No? See, my meat and my garlic onion is there already.